Hi everyone, it's Anna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've recently posted this photo on my Instagram account, how I was making the vellum embellishments using stencil. And I had so many questions asking how is it possible to make embellishment on vellum with stencil? Is it really possible? So I thought I will share this craft hack with you today by creating this quick tutorial. If you would like to follow me on my Instagram, my account is annahubert01. I'm not gonna speed up this video so you will exactly see what I'm doing, and the steps will be pretty easy. So I'm starting with Gabrielle Polacco stencil designed for the crafter workshop, and the number I've picked is TCW 660 Minimize Sunshine. This is absolutely beautiful stencil. This is one of the older collection for the crafter workshop, what Gabrielle has created. Also I have vellum paper. Vellum paper is available in variety sizes in different shops. You can also purchase them online. So whichever has worked for you, you can choose for yourself. So firstly, I'm preparing my surface by wiping any of staticness by using Ranger pad. Now I'm placing my stencil in the place where I want the design to go. So for example in that corner. Now I'm using archival pigment ink. The reason I'm using archival pigment ink because pigment ink dries slowly, so I will know and I will have the time to actually put the embossing powder on it before it's actually dry, so the impression and image will be clear. And the reason I've picked the white one, so I will know which area I actually inked. So I'm not using anything you know, rocket science. I'm using just ordinary makeup sponge, and I'm just dabbing in places just to make sure that the image will be clear and it will be visible. So you can go and repeat the process as many times as you like, wherever you feel you're ready, and then you will have to lift the stencil. You can see I'm a bit struggling with lifting the stencil. I just wanted to take the time with that so I'm not smudging anything. And as you see, pigment ink is quite wettish, so the stencil is actually attached to the vellum paper quite well. So you can see the image when you're actually working with the white pigment. Now I'm using wall embossing powder, opaque white, which works for me perfectly. You can choose any other embossing powder you like. I like white. I think white embellishments on vellum looks absolutely great. Now I'm dabbing off the excess of the embossing powder, and as you can see, the image is absolutely beautiful. Now all you need to do is just put the heat gun and melt the embossing powder. I'm doing that from the bottom part. You can do it from the top, whatever works for you. And as you see, the powder is melting, so it's creating that beautiful impression. So I think it's pretty simple, to be honest, and anyone can do it. You don't have to go through this design. You can pick any other design you like, any other stencils, and all you need to do is just pussycat and use it onto your project, This is the other sheet I've made as well with the same stencil. So here they are. I've put that beautiful flower and some swirls, which I will be using them in my next project, which I will show you what I'm doing on my next project. I will be creating a mixed media card. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this little hack was inspirational. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.